Is your bridge looking like this? Let me fix that. First, break the old one. This one is easy to build, but it's acacia, so let's just break it. Place 2 pillars that are going to be 3 blocks tall or high here, and then 3 blocks apart in the middle of the river. Place 6 more blocks, and then here at the end 6 more, just like that. Now we're gonna add upside down stairs, spruce stairs, or any other stairs here and here, 4 on one side and 4 on the other side, just like that. Now spruce trapdoors in between the stairs, just like that, and 4 more here on the ends, just like this. Now a spruce slab here and here on the ends, and then more spruce slabs on top where you will walk. Now we're gonna add, oh no, wait, I need to crouch. Some spruce fences on the trapdoors. Make sure you crouch, otherwise it's gonna break. And then some fence gates in between the blocks and the fences, just like that. 2 lanterns here in the middle, and there's your new bridge. Thank you.